Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix AT&T U words keeps saying restart receiver in 2026. So this particular message here appears when the receiver can't complete startup or connect to the network. So restarting alone won't fix it alone. So you will need to address the actual cause here. So first of all, do not just restart the receiver. You will have to first of all unplug the gateway or the router and the receiver, and then simply wait for about 60 seconds and then plug them back in this particular order. Like you just have to first of all plug back the gateway, then you just have to simply wait, and then you just have to basically turn on the receiver. So this is going to restore the proper connection. Now, sometimes the loose or faulty cables can also cause the restart loops. So you need to make sure that all the Ethernet as well as your coax cables are securely connected. You can also try a different cable if it is needed. Now, after restarting, you just have to give it some time as well, because the receiver may take several minutes to fully boot and reconnect. Interrupting it early can also restart the loop again. Now, sometimes the issue isn't just your device. You can check if there is an AT&T service outage in your area. So if there is the outage, you will need to wait until it is resolved. So you can try these easy fixes and see if this particular error is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.